Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to format a Fujifilm SD card. First, power on your Fujifilm camera and make sure your SD card is securely inserted into its slot. It is crucial to have a sufficiently charged battery, ideally at least 50%, to prevent any interruptions during the formatting process. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and successful operation, protecting your camera and card from potential issues. Once your camera is on, press the Menu/OK button to bring up the main menu options. Use the directional pad to scroll through the various settings until you locate the Setup menu. This menu is typically indicated by a small wrench icon, making it easy to spot. Selecting the Setup menu will open a new set of options where you will find the formatting function. Within the Setup menu, scroll down until you find the Format option. Select it and then confirm your choice when prompted. Your camera will display a warning message reminding you that all data on the card will be erased. Carefully read this message, and if you are certain you have backed up any important files, confirm to proceed. The formatting process usually takes only a few seconds to complete. Before you format, always remember to back up any important photos or videos from your SD card to another device. Formatting permanently deletes all data, so this step is absolutely critical. Regularly formatting your SD card helps maintain its optimal performance, reduces the risk of data corruption, and ensures your camera operates smoothly. It's a good practice to format your card directly in the camera for best results.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.